Hello students, my name is Diksha Avasthi and today we are going to start our new chapter, Pronouns. Chapter number 5 in your English language book, The Maturing Seed. Before we further proceed to the definition of pronouns, just recall what is a noun. Noun is a name of place, person, animal or thing. Or we can say noun is a naming word. As you have studied prefix and suffixes chapter, now we will divide pronouns in two words. Pro plus nouns. Pro is a Latin word which means for. For noun means pronoun. Now the question arises, what is the definition of a pronoun? A pronoun is a word used in place of a noun. That is pronoun. The pronouns I, me, you, we, his, her, she, they, them, it, he, us, etc. are called personal pronouns. They come in place of people, animals and things. Personal pronoun is one of the type of pronoun that we will study in our next video. First we will learn how to use and where we should use I, me, he, she, it, etc. Let's have a look at this slide or image. Here we have written in place of, and in the other side it is written we may use. What we can use in place of this? A boy or a man. We can use he, his, him, I, you, me, my. What we can use in place of a girl or a woman? She, her, I, you, me, my. Now comes to the next point. Children, people. We may use they, them, their, we, us, these. A thing or an animal. It, its, this, that we may use. When we will talk about many things, more than one, then we will use, or we can say more than two, we may use them, those, these, they. Now read this paragraph and see where will we use pronoun. Rajiv has a sister, Rita. Rajiv and Rita go to the same school. Rajiv is a good actor. Rajiv has acted in many plays. Rita is not only a good dancer, Rita can also sing. Rajiv and Rita have a pet dog. Rajiv and Rita call the dog King. You must have noticed that the use of the nouns Rajiv, Rita and dog over and over again has made the sentences clumsy. Now look at the other side. The same paragraph we have written on the other side. Just you have to notice the differences between them. Now I am going to recite a next para. Rajiv has a sister, Rita. Rajiv is a boy and Rita is a girl. Rajiv and Rita go to the same school. We are talking about two persons, Rajiv and Rita. So here we have used they. They go to the same school. Rajiv is a good actor. Rajiv is a boy, so we have used a pronoun he in place of Rajiv. He is a good actor. Rajiv has acted in many plays. Who has acted in many plays? He has acted in many plays. Rita is not only a good dancer, Rita can also sing. Rita is a girl, so we have written she here. She is not only a good dancer, she can also sing. Rajiv and Rita have a pet dog. Rajiv and Rita. Again, we are talking about two persons, that's why we have used they. They have a pet dog. Rajiv and Rita call the dog King. They call it King. We have used it in place of the dog. Here, just pause the video and go through the last image. Here, I have told you a thing or an animal. What we can use? It. That's why we have used it in place of a dog. Now you must have understood, in place of one person, or we can say in place of one boy, you will use he. In place of one girl, you will use she. In place of more than one, we may use we, they, them. In place of one thing or an animal, we may use it. But we will talk about more than one, then we will use them or they. Now we will see the pronoun it is used in various ways. Read the sentences carefully. Raj bought the book because he wanted to read it. Next, the dog was barking because it was hungry. And the last sentence is, the child is sleeping, speak softly or it will wake up. In sentence A, it refers to a thing without life, which is a book. In sentence B, it refers to an animal, a dog. However, we can also refer to animals as he or she. In sentence C, it refers to a baby. It is usually not important to mention whether it is a baby boy or a baby girl. We can also use he or she to refer to a baby or a child. In this video, I have taught you the basic examples of pronouns. In the next video, we will teach about the types of pronoun and what are subject pronoun, what are object pronoun, and many more. Watch this video again. Do practice at your home. Stay home, stay safe, and be happy.